Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell books in the Amazon store. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sell books in Amazon store. The first thing you need to do is to visit the Amazon Seller Center website. So go to Amazon Seller Center in your browser, any browser of your choice. That's if you want to use a new tab. But then if you're in your Amazon website, which I have in here, I'm just going to show you another way to head into the Amazon Seller Center websites without having to open it in a new tab. So from your Amazon account, hover over the account and list segment, and you're going to be provided with a couple of options. So from these options, go ahead and click on Start a Selling Account. Once you select Start a Selling Account, it's going to take you to this window. Now it says Create an Amazon Seller Account, and you have the Sign Up button. Hit the Sign Up button. Now click the Sign Up button. If you already have an Amazon account, you can sign in. Otherwise, just go ahead and create a new account. But once you hit the Sign Up button, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to be provided a form that you need to fill out, to register your business. So it's going to be tagged business information. So they want to know everything about your business in that form. Now go ahead and fill out the form. The first thing, or the first option in the communication bar, is for you to enter the country that you registered your business in. It has to be legal. And then once you select the country, the next option is for you to select the type of your business. So click on the drop down menu and select if it is a sole proprietorship business, a public owned, private owned, no, you're just an individual, or charity. Now, once you click on any of that, the next option is to provide the name of the business, the legal registered name of the business. After that, check the box that says you have agreed to the terms and conditions. And once you do that, click on the Agree and Continue button. And that's going to take you right into the next page. So the next page might be prompted to select between the individual plan for selling fewer than 40 items per month or the professional plan for selling more than 40 items. So fill out the required details about the business, all right, which could include your business name, including your name, your business address, tax information, and bank account details for payment deposits. You need to fill that out in the subsequent forms that will be, made available to you. Now, after creating your account, you can set up your seller profile, including return policies and customer service information. I'd like you to know that when listing your books, select the appropriate category. You can sell new books if you are a publisher or have acquired new inventory. You can sell used books if you're selling secondhand or pre-owned books. And you can sell ebooks, that's if you want to sell digital versions of your book through Kindle Direct Publishing. Then the next thing you need to do is to now list your book. So how do you list your book? From your seller website or from the seller homepage, you're going to find the inventory tab. So go to inventory and click on add a product. If the book is already listed on Amazon, you can search for it by title or ISBN. So click on the book and choose the option to sell it. But if your book is not listed, select create a new product listing and fill the necessary details, which include your title. Now the title includes the full title of the book, the author. It means you need to enter the author's name, and where you have ISBN, provide the International Standard Book Number if available. Where you have conditions, specify whether the book is new or used. Where you have price, set a competitive price based on market research. Where you have images, upload high quality images of the book, including front cover, back cover, and any other related images. Where you have description, write a clear and concise description, highlighting the book's features and benefits. Now, you're going to also find fulfillment options. You can choose fulfilled by merchants. That's the FBM. meaning you can handle shipping and customer service. But if you choose Fulfilled by Amazon, that's FBA, it means Amazon stores, packs, and ships your books. These options allows you to reach Amazon Prime customers and benefit from Amazon's customer service. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review your listing for accuracy and click on the publish or save and finish button you're going to find. Now, keep track of your book inventory through the Seller Central dashboard, monitor sales, and restock as necessary. Consider using Amazon's advertising options to promote your books and increase visibility. Utilize social media and other marketing channels to drive traffic to your Amazon listing. Regularly check your sales metrics and customer reviews. Use this feedback to provide your listings and customer service. Now, here are some additional tips. You can research similar books on Amazon to set competitive prices. Then invest time in taking good photographs of the book, as visual appeal is crucial for online sales. Then use relevant keywords in your title and description to improve search visibility. By following the steps, you can successfully sell books on Amazon store. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.